In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear upper control arm on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using two 19mm wrenches, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the nut and the washer off of the back side. Remove the bolt. Using a 19mm socket, loosen the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the upper control arm. Get the bolt started in the top. Get this started by hand. And we're going to snug it down, but we're not going to make it tight. Make sure the arm can still move freely. To help line up the bushing, I'm using this pair of pliers just around the outside of the control arm, and you can pull it one way or another to help you line it up. Just like that. Install the bolt, install the washer, and install the nut. I'm getting this as close by hand as I can. Snug the bolt down, and then torque it to 80 foot-pounds. Snug this bolt down, and then torque it to 110 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.